So back MG Autotec today to find out what's going on with the engine. Kind of know what's going on with the engine, but I'm just going to have a wee look at it. So we'll go see you boys and see what's going on. Mark.
Hello.
So we're engines and bits, loads and loads of bits. So I don't know. It's like starting. Where do you start? How do you? It's like a horror story, really, isn't it? Kind of. So, pistons. For starters, the pistons are not meant to look like that. That's quite. Well, they went in shiny, and now they've come out quite oily. Yeah. Bearings are toasted. More bearings toasted. Oop, ding ding. That's the thrust washer, and that one okay.
Yes.
That one's okay. But the other one is totally fucking screwed. So we've been getting oil in from the top, which is
not great.
No, that's not great. So top end needs done. So the bottom end needs done. The top end needs done. The block as well is not looking awesome. There's the hone. I'm using technical terms I don't really know.
Yeah, it's quite badly scored. Scored a couple of the pistons. On the bottom as well, it's sealing gated.
So
down here, it's sealing gated where the thrust washer sits down at the bottom of the block.
And what do you call it as well? So you reckon there's some end float in the thing? So the crank was moving?
Yeah, it looked like there was some end float, and that's why the thrust washer was picking up. The mains, as you even can see here as well, the mains have started to pick up as well. I think there's been debris from the previous destruction of the engine, possibly oil, contamination with metal. Also, one of the bearing rod caps was incorrectly fitted round the wrong way, and the lock tabs were facing each other.
What the fuck did that? Me! And the pistons were different weights?
Pistons were different weights, yeah. There was a couple of grams between pistons, so they should be down to about 0.1 of a gram should be usable.
Yeah. So, this is why I've now decided that I am never building an engine ever again, because pretty much 90% of the stuff he said, I didn't know. So, it's now over to him to come up with another plan. So there's going to be another plan. It's not
Plan C.
Plan C. Fucking his own plan F by now at least. So yeah, and that is not an option. No more SR. So there's a few other options. So I don't know what they are yet, but we're working them out. So. Bye bye SR life. Hello, some sort of reliable life. Please, some reliable life from something else. So, hopefully in the next couple of weeks, might have an answer on that. Right, I'll have to go drink beer and make myself feel better.